Welcome to this video on the SBI model, a simple yet powerful framework designed to improve feedback in professional settings. In this video, we'll take a deep dive into the SBI model and how you can use it to give clear, structured, and constructive feedback. The SBI model stands for Situation, Behavior, and Impact. It's a structured approach to feedback that focuses on specific, observable actions and their effects. This model helps ensure feedback is actionable, relevant, and centered around real situations. Why use the SBI model? First, it brings clarity and structure to feedback conversations, making them more effective. It reduces defensiveness because the feedback focuses on behaviors rather than personal characteristics. By highlighting the impact of actions, the model encourages personal accountability and promotes continuous professional development. The first step of the SBI model is situation. When giving feedback, start by describing the specific event or moment where the behavior occurred. Be precise and objective in your description, avoiding generalizations. For example, during yesterday's 3 p.m. team meeting. This helps the individual clearly recall the context. The second step is behavior. This is where you focus on what the person did or said, sticking to the facts. Avoid making assumptions about their intentions. For instance, you interrupted the presenter 3 times while they were speaking. This focuses on specific, observable actions. Finally, we have impact. This is where you explain the effect of the behavior. How did it affect others, the project, or the team? The goal is to highlight the consequences, whether positive or negative. For example, as a result, the meeting was delayed and others felt frustrated. This connects the behavior to its outcomes. The SBI model can be used for both positive and corrective feedback. Let's take a look at examples. In positive feedback, during the project meeting on Friday, you explained the new process clearly, which helped the team feel more confident moving forward. For corrective feedback, in the client presentation last week, you didn't include the cost analysis, which led the client to ask for additional information, delaying the approval process. Both examples follow the same structure, situation, behavior, and impact. To get the most out of the SBI model, here are a few best practices. Be timely. Give feedback soon after the behavior happens so it's fresh in everyone's mind. Balance your feedback by mixing positive and constructive points. Adapt your communication style to the individual and always encourage a two-way conversation to promote understanding and improvement. In conclusion, the SBI model provides a powerful way to deliver feedback by focusing on specific situations, observable behaviors, and their impact. By using this model, you can foster clarity, accountability, and growth in your team. Thank you for watching, and we hope this helps you deliver more effective feedback.